This is the Revolutionary Guard's message to Israel. War games in Iran, including firing ballistic and cruise missiles. One of the targets resembles Israel's Dimona nuclear reactor. The head of Iran's armed forces, Staff Major General Mohammad Bagheri, says 16 ballistic missiles of varying classes were fired simultaneously. Tehran has one of the biggest missile programs in the Middle East, regarding such weapons as an important deterrent and retaliatory force against the United States and other adversaries in the event of war. Just days after those drills, world powers are back in Vienna trying to salvage what is left of the 2015 nuclear deal. The Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action has been unraveling since the U.S. withdrew from it in 2018 and imposed a series of new sanctions on Iran. And that prompted Iranian officials to reduce their compliance with the deal, which means their nuclear program has progressed. World powers have been insisting that Iran's ballistic missile program needs to be part of that deal, a notion that's continuously dismissed by